Look, y'all, that's an unmarked government plane spraying more chemicals and viruses in the air as we speak. This is what you're seeing right now. Look at that. That's exactly what this is. Look at that. That's not jet fuel. Jet fuel don't put out, I mean, jet fuel kind of puts something out that's a little like that, but it's not that thick, and it disappears after a few seconds. This is chemicals they're putting in the air for us to breathe in. Oh, what was that? Y'all see that UFO just flew by? Daggone, when another one flying by. What the hell? Y'all see this? They're flying, little dots flying by at lightning speed. Y'all see that? Look. See that? Look, there's more of them. Look at that. Y'all see these little UFOs flying by at lightning speed? Look at that. Look at that. Flying by at lightning speed. Dang, there goes another one that just flew by the camera. Look at this. That's why it keeps getting blurry. Look, there goes another one going from right to left. All right, look, there goes another one zooming by. That's what the government's trying to hide. That's why they keep putting shit in the air. Viruses to make us sick. And look, there's another one. Look, see it? Look at that. Did y'all see that? Look, they're zooming by. Look. Well, that. They're trying to hide the UFOs, y'all. I wouldn't be surprised if these are viruses. Look at that. Y'all see another one fly by? Look, there goes another one. Look, there goes another one. Y'all see it? It was right above the chemtrail there. There goes another one. Look, there's another one. Y'all see it? That one just did a zigzag motion. Look. Look at that. There's another one. Look. See it? Look. Look, 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 look. There goes. There goes another one. You see these objects flying by? Look at that. There goes another one. Look. Another one. Another one. Another one. Another one. Look. There's a bunch of them zooming around. Look at that. Look at that. Y'all see this shit? These are UFOs flying at lightning speed. Look at that. This is insane. Look, there goes another one. Y'all slow this shit down and watch it frame by frame. These are UFOs. Look at that. Look, there goes another one. This is crazy. Look. These things are moving like lightning speed. There's another one. There's another one. Look. There. Did y'all see that one? Look, there's another one. They're like little silver dots, and they're flying across the sky at lightning speed. Look at that. Look, there goes another one that just flew by from right to left. Look, there's another one. This is crazy. Look, there's another one. Y'all slow this video down after it uploads and watch it frame by frame. I'm capturing UFOs here. This is insane. And this ain't the only video I got of them. I got more that I've actually zoomed in and got close up. Oh, there's another one that just zoomed by. Did y'all see that? Oh, there's another one. Alright, I'm gonna go. My fucking neck is hurting. I'm tired of looking up. Now that right there is a bird. See that bird? For the skeptics out there try to say, oh, you're seeing birds. That's a bird right there. But the silver things that's zooming by at lightning speed is not a damn bird. I'm glad I captured that bird. That way I can compare it to what we're seeing. Look at that. There's another one that just zoomed by. What the fuck's up with this focus thing? And there's another one. Look, there's another one up underneath the bird. It just flew by. Look, there's another one. Zoomed by. Look, there's another one. Let's go back over this way. It's easier to see when you see at the edge of that sunlight. Look at that. There's another one. Look, there goes another one. There's another one zooming by. Let me zoom in. Fucking. Look. Y'all see that? Look at that. They're zooming by at lightning speed. Look at that shit. See them? Look, there's more. Look at that. Look how fast that they're zooming by. Look at that shit. Look, two more. Look, there's more. Look at that. Alright, I captured enough. I'm gonna go, y'all. I'm getting a fucking neck cramp from looking up so damn long. Y'all stay righteous and stay blessed. Stay safe out there. Look at that. Alright, peace out.